Today I'm just going to do a potato and tomato vegetable with some cumin seeds, and this is the cumin powder you got? Yeah. Yeah, okay. So it's cumin, salt and turmeric. And we'll do the potatoes, and always whenever we're using potatoes you have to wash it with warm water so that it's clean enough for the skin to be cooked well. And I peeled off the potatoes, cut them into small pieces. And you can also boil the potatoes earlier if you like to. If you want to do it faster, just boil it and keep it in your refrigerator and then cut it. It cooks faster. I used tomatoes here, and I left them bigger because I don't want them to completely get cooked, so that it's just cooked enough for us to eat. And also, if at home, if you have any other vegetables that you think are sitting in your freezer, or frozen vegetable, you can throw in that too. I'm just doing these two right now. I'm doing a very simple recipe because I don't know how many of you guys have all these spices at home. But again, my recommendation, everybody should have good healthy turmeric, cumin, try and get sea salt, and if you guys can get black peppers, during winter time, the whole round black peppers. So if I was at home, I would have thrown in a few black peppers. Just because of the weather, it's really good for you, black peppers, just the whole black pepper. It's a little spicy, but you just eat it while you're cooking. Add some cumin, let the cumin get a little brownish. Once it is brownish, I'm going to add the chopped potatoes. And if you have the boiled ones, you can add that. The potatoes are very hard compared to the tomatoes. So once the cumin starts releasing its flavors, it gets absorbed by the potatoes and they get a little bit cooked. Then you add the tomatoes to it. So the cumin is now more or less ready, and it's releasing its aroma, and it's absorbed by the potatoes. I'm going to add the tomatoes to it. And the turmeric, we need more, like at least half a teaspoon of turmeric. Salt and a little bit more cumin powder. Ideally, I would not add water to it if I had a lid that could cover it up well so that it gets cooked in its own steam. But because we don't have a lid that could close it, for it to cook in its own steam, I'm going to add a little bit of water to it. So it won't. But ideally, if you have some time, you can put the fire very slow. That's the best way of cooking any food. Once you add all the ingredients, you make the fire slow, cover it and let it cook in its own steam. So while it is cooking, and if you guys are at home, you guys can go back to your Facebook, tweeting, texting, phone, sleeping, anything while this cooks. And this would take time. So